So today I went to a new vinyl shop here in Dallas, and it is called American HTV Supply, and it's on Harry Hines, again in Dallas, Texas. Now, there are lots of things that you can order off their website. What I'm going to show you today, I'm not sure. Well, I'm just going to say that the amount of DTF transfers that they have that you can purchase that's already ready to go is amazing. Like they have aisles and aisles and aisles of DTF transfers, but they're not on the website. Okay. I think on the website they may have like 3 images, but they have just aisles of nothing but DTF transfers. They also have HTV transfers already ready to go. All you got to do is put it on the shirt, iron it on. So today I'm going to show you 4 of them that I purchased. Each one of these, one of the other good things about it before I show you these, each one, they have the DTF transfers and the HTV transfers by shirt size. So if you're putting it on a 3X t-shirt, then the designs go up to 3X. So you don't have just a standard, little 8.5 by 11. The transfers are based on shirt size, okay, which I thought was amazing. This was my first time in there. I passed it the other week and then I couldn't. I went on to Aviva and Join Us, and then when I went back to try to find it, I couldn't find it. So I Googled it today, and they came up, and I went specifically to find them. So these are all DTF transfers that I bought today. I bought 4 of them. For God, it's so many to choose from. So I had to finally say, you can come back here anytime, Doris. You don't have to buy the whole store. So this is the first one that I got. I am Black History. So you know I'm going to be rocking this for Black History. And it's DTF. It is not HTV. And they also sell embroidery patches all ready to go. Rows and rows and rows of embroidery patches. This is another DTF that I bought. So it says Love Scars, which I thought was really cute. So I can't wait to iron this one on. And then I got Martin and his crew. So again, it's DTF. You can see the white coating on the back. I'm hoping these turn out fine. And then I got Sisters. All DTF transfers. They were only $3 per transfer for the ones that I have. I'm going to be uploading not a tutorial, but I'm going to upload a video of the inside of their store so you guys can see what I saw today, and it just blew my mind. It is the first store here in Dallas, Texas, where they had DTF transfers and HTV transfers all ready to go. I mean, just rows and rows and rows, aisles and aisles and aisles. And I'm going to upload that video, not a tutorial, but I'm going to upload that video just so you can see it and get amazed like I was. But today I'm going to be walking through ironing on one of these DTF transfers to see how it works. And they told me to set my heat press at 385 and to press it for 8 to 10 seconds. So I have my heat press heating up. So I don't have to do any designing, y'all. All I got to do is just go iron this on the t-shirt. And if it works perfectly, I don't see no reason why I need to be using no powders and all that good stuff. Meet you at the heat press. All right, guys, here we are at the heat press. My press is ready. I'm just going to zap this for a quick second. And then I'm going to put my Black History design on this shirt. All right. All right. About good. All right there. All right, so we're gonna press this. Like I said, they said about 8 to 10. I hope I didn't say minutes earlier. 8 to 10 seconds, and see what we get. And then we're gonna allow it to cool, and then we'll peel it off. And I'm hoping that this don't mess up my shirt. I'm gonna put a piece of parchment on here just in case, because this is my first time working with their stuff. So we're gonna go 10 seconds. Okay, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, now it does say you have to let it cool. So I'm gonna let it cool, then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna take this off together and see if it's a winner. Okay. All right, guys, it's been about 3 minutes, so I'm gonna see. Ooh. Nope. Down here came off perfectly, but up there at the top, it's still holding on. And I don't know why. If I try to go, there we go. Ooh, nothing left on there. So it came out perfectly. Now normally what you would do is you would take and you would zap this one more time. So I'm going to zap it again. And I wanted to put it on the same side. This is the side that I zapped it on. Alright, so I'm going to zap it one more time for about 5 seconds. It's so pretty. And I didn't have to use no powder. I didn't have to buy no film. All I did, guys, was pay $3 for this transfer. $3. Alright, so I'm going to swoop you around here. Look at that. $3 for a DTF transfer. So maybe my next giveaway will be some DTF transfers, because I'm going to rock this one. Alright, so that is all. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for the video so you can see the store itself and all the transfers that they have. And if you're local here in Dallas, Texas, I would say run and check them out. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. If you're currently in my Facebook group, Ken Dorsey's Cricut and Creative Crafters, thank you guys so much for the love and support via Facebook. If you would like to join my group, my Facebook group, it will be linked in the description of this tutorial. And all you have to do is agree to the Facebook group rules and we'll get you in. And if you're currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you guys so much for the love and support via YouTube. If this is your first time seeing me and you like my method of teaching, even though this was a short tutorial, I have over 400 tutorials on my YouTube channel on all types of crafting projects, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. All right. And you guys know my motto, each one reach one, so that each one can teach one. And you know I'm all about trying to keep you in the know. All right, guys, have a good one.